Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone, week 9. We're in the last 3 weeks. A lot of cool stuff to talk about, really great things to focus on, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So this week we're going to talk about distribution and how you can distribute your stuff and really send it out there. Really cool lecture, it's going to be really great, and we're going to focus on a lot of different elements about that. Now, we have to ask ourselves, what is distribution? We're going to talk about the differences in distribution with demo reels, what methods we can look at, and then the pros and cons of each method and how to go about that. Other than that, just distribution in a whole is the action of sharing something amongst several recipients. Overall, it's getting your product, work, service, or system out there to everybody and easy access for them to find. It's pretty much what we're doing this week, and discussing a lot of different techniques that focus on those elements as well. Other than that, we're also going to ask a few questions. Well, we'll go over this, like who's viewing this? Like, where do we need to distribute this to? Where does it need to go? How can people view this easily? And then what are other ways we can send this out through original channels? And we'll talk a little bit more about these questions in lecture tomorrow. That way everything's good to go. Other than that, that's all I got. So real simple, easy, just focus on everything. We'll talk about things in lecture, but I don't think there's a discussion this week. It should just be the lecture material. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a good week. If you need anything, let me know. Other than that, that's it. All right, everybody, take it easy. Bye-bye. If you need anything, let me know. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, and I will see everybody later. So yeah, should be good. All right, if you need anything, let me know. Other than that, that's all I got. All right, take it easy.